Hi, this is a webinar on how to use the Class Cycler widget in the Reports tool in the ThinkWave system. This is the foundation widget for creating report cards and transcripts. It allows you to display the class names, grades, and credits. Since we'll need to preview the widget as we adjust the look of it, we'll need to create a report to save the widget to. Under Reports and under Custom Reports, click Add Report. Then click Create New Report. We'll call this Demo and organize it as one student per page. The layout is divided into 12 segments, but for this, we'll use it as a quick reference, so make it 12/12 for the row and the cell 12. You'll have to make the other cell 0, which will prompt you to delete it. Then click Save. To display the class cycler correctly, we're going to need to create a couple different widgets. First, to create the first widget, hover here and click the Widget Designer. This will create your first widget automatically. Now we'll create a quick table widget to display the grades. We'll call this Class Grades and make it a table. We go into the details on the table widget in another video, but to get this info quickly, we're going to copy some merge functions for the classes and grades into the cells below. Merge functions are commands that allow you to automatically pull data such as grades. The instructions for the merge functions can be found here below the text window. This gives you the definitions for the basic functions, and below here you have the command descriptions and the variables available, as well as a sample. For the first one, we'll copy class. For the second, let's scroll down to the final grades merge function and copy the example line. And for the third column, let's copy the grades earned merge function. Now add a pipe, term, underscore, SEL, colon, term, underscore, 1, all within the brackets. Now click Save. Now we'll want to display a header for the grades and the credits. So create another table widget. Call this one Grades Header. You can just type in class, grades, and credits into the cells. The pull-downs on the right will give us quick formatting options. Select Body Inverse for the first one, Medium Dark Shade for the next, then click Save. Now we'll create the Class Cycler. Click Add Widget at the top left. Call it Class Cycler and make it a Class Cycler. Here at the pull-down, you can select the type of sorting you want. You have a choice between default sorting, location, credits, and report order. And here you have custom filters. If you are displaying more than one term at a time, you can filter the results here. We go more into the filters in the Term Cycler webinar. We'll leave it at the default sorting and put no filters. Now add the Class Grades widget to the pull-down and click Save. We'll have to create one more widget to display it properly. Click Add Widget at the top left, and we'll call this Class Cycler column. Make it a column and click Save. First, add the grades header, then a half space, and finally the Class Cycler. Then click Save. Now hover over here and go to the Layout Designer. Now add the Class Cycler column to the cell and click Save. To preview this, we'll open another tab in ThinkWave.com, then go to the Reports tab, and under Custom Reports, click Demo. You can see here we have to select the term we want to display. We'll show Semester 1. Then select a student and click Generate. You can see here the header tells you the term, the grades, and the credits. Classes are automatically displayed. And that's the features of the Class Cycler widget in the Reports tool for the ThinkWave system. Thanks for watching.